What's the meaning of ad nauseam? Ad nauseam. Ad nauseam. Ad nauseam. Ad nauseam. Ad nauseam. Ad nauseam is a Latin term that means to the point of nausea. It is often used to describe a recurring or repetitive action or discussion that becomes tedious or unpleasant due to its constant repetition. When something is repeated ad nauseam, it can become annoying and unsatisfying, as it does not add any new information or value. This term is commonly used to emphasize the negative feelings associated with the repetition or overuse of something. Overall, ad nauseam is a warning sign to avoid excessive repetition for the sake of the audience's engagement and satisfaction.